You can explore the water cycle, swimming, the deep ocean, check out a waterfall. Hi, boys and girls. My name is Don Stevens, the Assistant Superintendent for Watervliet City Schools. I'm excited to introduce this week's Summer Adventure ebook collection on the Capital Region BOCES Summer Adventure website. This week, we're going to talk about Splish Splash, Anything Water. I checked out the Sora website and found two really cool books. The first one is all about a boy who wouldn't swim. He tried his hardest to get into the pool all throughout a hot summer, and finally, he may have conquered his fears. The other book, The New Ocean, it explores the life of the changing sea. Terrific reads. If you can't find them or you can't find a book that you like, just explore the website and see if there's something else that catches your eye. The Summer Adventure ebook collection can be accessed through the Sora website or mobile app. Sora is a free resource through your school and Capital Region BOCES library system.